potato chip. You are my buddy, and I am your buddy. I'm everybody's buddy. I'm Buddy Boyle. Hello, everybody! Welcome to the laugh floor. When I point to this side, folks say, Mike. This side, Wazowski. Nice and loud. Here we go.
Mike Wazowski! Mike Wazowski! Mike Wazowski!
I did not point, I did not do it.
Mike!
That concludes the mic check. You giggle, we get giggle watch, and we put them in a can. You're gonna dance. Yeah. Give that human a round of applause. Now something you can all do whenever we monsters say, hello humans. The proper response is to throw your hands up in the air and to scream like this. Ah! So nice and loud, everybody. Hello, humans! You got it! Take it away, Roz.
See that giant canister? That's where we collect your laughter. The more you laugh, the more power we collect. The less you laugh, well, we may not have enough power to open the exit doors. I can tell we're off to a great start.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the laugh floor. And now, make some noise for your monster of ceremonies, me, Mike Wazowski. Hello, humans! Very good. I'm Mike Wazowski. That's Wazowski with one eye. Welcome to the laugh floor. Now, if this is your first time in the monster world, there are a few things you should know. Like if I said, you stink to that guy, that'd be a compliment. You're welcome, sir. See, now we're at the laughter. So the only one here who might make you scream would be Roz. We like to call Roz the face that launched 1,000 lunches. Hey, why did the chicken cross the road? Get away from Roz! She's up on the screen, isn't she?
Wazowski, you better fill the can this time, or else.
Or else what?
Or else this.
Phew! Are you ready for our first act? Here they are, mac and cheese!
Hello, humans! Oh, very nice. Well, I'm Matt Cheese.
Yes, we're here today to tell you all a famous story. Happened right here at Monsters Inc., featuring all of you as the stars.
Except for that guy. He's already a star. He's that guy.
That guy! Yes, but it's not the story of him. Story of two monsters this is, and the first a hairy scarer by the name of Sully.
Oh, yeah?
Let's not forget his best friend in the world, Mike Wazowski.
Yeah. Hey, that's Wazowski with one eye. Can you do one eye?
One eye.
Yeah. Close an eye, cover an eye. There we go. Nailed it.
They both lived in Monstropolis, which was facing a power crisis.
Everybody say, oh no!
Ooh, no worries, doll, because it was Sully's job to collect screams for power by making scary faces. Scary face. Scary. Oh, whoa. Chilling. This would cause all the children to scream. There we have it. Generating power for Monstropolis.
Everybody say yay!
Ooh, then one day a little girl entered the monster world through an open closet door.
And her name was...
Why are they booing me?
Oh, silly. They're for saying her name, Boo. Aww. Cute and adorable. Let's hear it for Boo. Dorbs.
Not so, Dorbs. Was that evil scoundrel by the name of Randall?
Hey, neat thing about Randall, he could turn himself invisible. Be invisible, disappear. Oh, he's good.
What say you goodies? Bad news. He captured Boo, banished Mike and Sully into the human world, and this sent Sully into a tizzy.
A tizzy. That was really good tizzy.
I like it.
It was a happy tizzy.
Acid energy.
You're boring me. Wrap it up.
You better wrap it up, brother.
All right, dear boy. Sully went to my village to close the door back at a monster, trying to get Boo back home. Randall cheese with the cursor right through the door. Hope took care of Randall. Mike experts swallowed the sales cover and afterwards sits times of half of that screams.
Put your hands together for Mike Wazowski. In the show. Let's hear it for glorious thing to look.
Weren't they great, folks? Weren't they great? Let's see how they did. Oh! 15 gigawatts! Looking good! Okay, this next act is almost as funny as a monkey in a tutu. The monkey wasn't available. He's my buddy. He's your buddy. He's Buddy Boyle!
Thank you, and hello, humans. I taught you well, even that guy. I am still Buddy Boyle. I got the power to read minds. That's right. I am telepathetic. So raise your hand if you have a mind. Oh, the powers are pulling me to you. I have to name you, nice human. What is your name?
Everly?
Correct. That is just one example of my telepathic powers. Everly, where are you from?
Nashville, Tennessee.
Konnichiwa. Who are you here today with, Everly?
My best friend.
Hi, my best friend. What is your name, my best friend?
Soleil.
Soleil? How did you and Everly first meet?
When we were babies.
Oh my goodness. Oh wow. So you've been best buds all this time. Everly, what's one of your favorite things about Soleil?
She's really funny.
Oh, and Soleil, what's one of your funny, not one of your funny things, what's one of your favorite things about Everly?
Her kindness.
Oh. Are you joking? Your sense of humor has been established. Okay. Well, we celebrate your friendship. Let's hear it for Everly and Soleil. Everly, think of a number between 1 and 50. Are you thinking of that number?
Yes.
Tell everybody the number. I will close my eyes so that I cannot hear you.
11.
Okay, Everly. Beam me the number with the power of your mind. Soleil, take your fingers, make antennas on Everly's head. That'll boost the brain signal. Everly, your number is 11!
Roz, why did you do that? You got it right!
Oops, my finger slipped.
Well, look at that, Roz. The can's half full.
Looks half empty to me. Face it, Wazowski, you'll never fill that can.
Oh, yes, we will. Right, guys?
Just fill the can. But remember, I'm watching, always watching.
I'm watching, always watching. I'm Roz, and I've got a mold on my
I can still hear you.
Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, performing the jokes you just sent in, my nephew, Marty Wazowski!
and you know, when I grow up, I want to go to Monsters University! I'm gonna be a jokester like Uncle Mikey. I figured a good star to be to tell the jokes of humans, so did you guys want to hear them? Let me hear you scream! Well, you know what? When Uncle Mikey went damn you, he learned if you have the right partner, you can do anything. I need a comedy partner. Who wants to be my comedy partner and help me out with some jokes? Put your hand way, way, way up in the air if you want to help me out with some jokes out there. Okay, let's see. Okay, you know what? There is a kid over on this side over here. They got their hand way, way, way high up in the air. They're kind of like in sunglasses, and they got like all kinds of food on their clothing there. Wow, you must be a messy eater. I'm just kidding. Hi, I'm Marty. What's your name?
Wednesday.
Hi, Wensley. Hey, Wensley, how old are you?
6.
You're 6? No way. I was 6 when I was your age, too. Wensley, help me out with some jokes. I got a joke from Morgan in Massachusetts. Morgan wants to know, why couldn't the bicycle stand up by itself? You know why?
Why?
It was too tired. Got another one. Kaylee is from Mississippi. Kaylee wants to know, why doesn't Cinderella play soccer? You know why? She's always running away from the ball. Okay, Matthew in Arizona wants to know, why did Goofy hit Mickey with the dodgeball? You know why? Donald ducked. Got another Wednesday, and this one is from Andrew in Dallas. Andrew wants to know, when did the chicken cross the road? You know what time?
What?
12 o'clock. On another one too, this one is different. Jennifer in Ohio. Jennifer wants to know, what does Winnie the Pooh call his girlfriend? You know what he calls his girlfriend?
What?
It's honey. Oh, that might be her right there. Hey, Wensley, do you have any jokes of your own?
Yeah.
Awesome, go for it.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
Why did the what cross the road?
Why did the chicken cross the road?
Oh, I don't know. Why did the chicken cross the road?
Because he went to the silly old lady's house.
That's awesome. Sometimes you just gotta do that. Hey, I got one more joke for you. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Orange. Aren't you glad we didn't forget about Becca? Well, that's on your Wednesday. You're awesome. And thanks for preaching some
Okay, let's get the old guy a big hand. Wasn't he great? Oh, and look at that! We did! We killed the cat!
Well, I guess I have to promote the one responsible.
Oh yeah, what's my new title?
Not you, Wazowski. That guy. Give him a big hand.